Well, hello there, friends. So today what I'm going to be showing you here is an update. Okay, so this is an improvement that we're doing for our new shop space. Check it out. So guess what just showed up at my door? Matter of fact, it's still a little warm from being outside out in the truck. This is the Hykoont. This is the 14 Hexagon LED garage light. So they sent this out to me so that way I can show you what it's all about. Oh, it's double boxed. So it's a box in a box. Okay, let's take a look and see what's in here. Put that one aside. We will take old Lucille here, the box cutter, and we will open this one. Okay, what we have here is a nicely packaged setup right here. Oh, look at that. Looks pretty special already. So the first thing I see here is the manual, user manual. And it's showing you your various parts, ideas for designs, right there. And it's got parts included list, features and specifications right there. Next, there's a bunch of wire ties here, zip ties. Next, I see a bag of hardware for mounting. Looks like there's quite a bit there. And we have the power cord, and it looks like junction boxes here in this bag. They call them Y connectors. That's what it is. And more Y connectors. Look pretty nice, actually. This is a 120-degree connector. And yet more Y connectors. So maybe the rest of the box are the lights. So these are very lightweight. They seem to be about maybe 24 inches, maybe 18 to 24 inches long. This is some of the specification that is on the outside of the light. Looks like they are powered by either from a range of 100 to 240 volts and 6 watts. Color is 6500K. So I am assuming at this point that this whole box is just full of these. And I'm reaching down to the bottom of the box, and that seems to be the case. There is a whole bunch of them. So next is going to be taking everything out to the job site where I'm constructing our new workshop. Oh yeah, so today is the day. Here we go. Let's go ahead and get this thing installed. Nice and hot in here. Let's get everything out of the box here for good. And of course, we got the lights themselves. Okay, so I don't know if you can see it right there, but that gets plugged in. You see the male and the females right there. Everything's on like a track. So it should be pretty self-explanatory. So go ahead and insert it in like that and just gently push together. I made the mistake of forcing one in and it kind of bent the, anyway, gave me a hard time. It's got the little plastic tab here on the bottom, which coincides with the little hole right here for the snap. There we go. Just like that. So now I'm going to try one of these. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Okay. Think I can get it in there in the next few seconds? Aha. Got to be persistent. And so on and so forth. I'm just going to continue this process. I'm going to build it on the floor. So I've got to say, the worst part of all of this is plugging these in. Sometimes you get lucky and it'll plug right in like that. Or sometimes it doesn't line up so well and it doesn't plug in so easily. There we go. So far so good. Trying to break a speed record here. Okay. Okay, so I think I have the technique here. So what I do is if I insert this side here first, the light side and not the back side, insert that one first, it seems to guide itself in better. What I was doing earlier is I was trying to put the back side right here in first and it wasn't lining up so well. So let's give that a try real quick. Test my theory. There we go. So I've got to say that once you get on the roll, it starts to become more enjoyable. So here's the power cord. And I left one of these Y connectors down here for the power cord here. Just like that. Okay, I'm going to cross my fingers. I'm going to light it up here for the first time. Plug it into an extension cord. There we go. Okay, and there we have it. Got it up. Got it working. Got it plugged in. I wasn't real happy last night because I didn't have enough solar. But now, during the middle of the day, I got enough solar to power it up. I'm told it's about 360 watts for those of you that plan on going off grid. And it was a nice experience. You know, it's pretty big. This 14 hex is pretty big. It's like 13 feet by 8 feet. And I got it up there on my ceiling. Thank you, Hykoont, for allowing me to feature your very nice product.